Okay, this is another test, and I will use a much normaler voice because it turned out there was way too much volume. Hopefully it was just a shitty microphone and that this thing can handle recording levels of person right on top of the microphone. Seems like it should. Oh, I forgot my gloves. I've never done that. Oh well, it's just around the block. That's what they all say. Alright, so right now my visor is up. I'm wearing shorts, a leather jacket, and here we go. Visor's still up. And I'm talking pretty normally now because it turned out shouting completely overrode the recording levels. Now I'm going to close it. Alright, so closed visor. Shout. And it seems kind of bassy in here, but because it seems bassy in here. This is the first time I've ridden this motorcycle without gloves. And hopefully the last. Shouldn't ride in my head. Shorts on either. And here's my first wreck. She's going to run right into me. Yeah, that's what happens when you have no protection on. The little lady drives in beside me. And I pick this thing up. There we go. Now it's got some air coming in. Test this at 60 miles an hour and faster because I do like to ride with the visor open and air swooshing in. So maybe I'll go back and get back out on Hawthorne.